Hey guys, never get one of these dogs. This is definitely a Beethoven dog. Slobber and everything. Huh, Kendall's. Yeah, he's a good girls still. He's just slobbery. Here's my hens. Cute. That tape measure took a crap. These guys, they follow me everywhere. I got 4 new ducks and 4 hens, but 2 passed away. We went to go get chicken food, and one of my kids went in with me. Happened to see the duck. Kept bugging me, so I gave in. I got these ducks. Kind of regret it, but makes the kids happy, so it is what it is. It's bright out here. So they're pretty cool. Oh, there's one of the new hens. Looks like it's bathing. And then there's the other one. Got another black conductor. This is my very first car that I've owned and got my license in. It's my project because it got ragged on quite a bit. It's not too bad in shape. It does need some tender love and care. And it's a Hilux Z28. Got the 5.7 in there. It's an 87. 3rd gen. I think that's right. And let's see if I can get it. That's about the only bad spot on the outside. I gotta replace the floor pans. It cost me about 500 bucks. There's my hood. And I might have to replace a little bit, inside on the bottom of the trunk. Here's the inside. I got it all gutted out, you can even see. Got the seats taken out. Back seats taken out. My hatch won't open for some odd reason. I closed it one year, went to go open it up the next year, and can't get it open. So, yep, but this is my first car that I've owned. Got my license in, all that fun stuff. Remember going to the Secretary of State. Lady told me not to do any speeding or any of that stuff because I can get my license taken away right away. I get about half a mile down the road, and this cutlass pulls up next to me, and he's sitting there tapping his gas, making the front end lift up, and I looked over at my mom, and she didn't say anything, so we raced down, I think it's Saginaw Road, but not that you guys know. It's in Michigan and Flint. But I toyed with him, and finally I let him catch up, and you realize how young I was. I was like 16 at the time. So, and the funny thing is my car wasn't running really good, and I still toyed with him. But everything's pretty much original. Rims. The only thing I don't know if it's original is this sunroof here. Because I've seen T-tops, but I've never seen a sunroof. And even when I look them up, I don't see one unless this is factory done or somebody made it in, but it doesn't leak or any of that good stuff. And I actually like it because it gets hot in here. Not that I'm a big fan, but that's an old Ford 460. I think that actually went to my dad's Continental Lincoln. I can't remember the year, but I actually kind of liked it. It looked like a mafia type car. It was pretty cool. And then he gave it to somebody, and then like a few weeks later they smashed it, and I just kind of looked at my dad. I was like, see, you should have gave it to me. This is a little bit of my yard. Found that blue thing at I didn't find it. I was working at the scrapyard. Somebody took it in. I asked my boss if I could take it home. He said not a problem. Where the boat is, that used to be where my chicken coop was, but then when I got the hens, didn't realize it was all rotted out. That's my bonfire. It's about probably one of the smallest one. This is pretty much my backyard. I own about 2 acres of land. Or I own 2 acres of land. Some people say more, but I think it's 2 acres. Got a little bit of wooded area. Got a trail next to that house. It goes to the backyard and go down there and take you to a lake. But now they're buying up the properties on the lake, so you can't go swimming and fishing no more. And there's that big tree that I took down. I didn't take it down, it fell, broke. And I cut the limbs up and everything and got it down. That way it didn't fall on my kids or anything. I took more of a risk. But I'd rather take the risk than have my kids be playing around and have that big old thing fall on them. That's why I put up a video, America's Most Dumbass or something like that. Yeah, that's pretty much my property. Got some nice big walnut trees. This one's freaking huge too. There's the trunk. So, alright, well, thank you all for watching. Y'all have a good one. Enjoy your day. It's supposed to be, well, in Michigan, it's going to be nice all week. I think by Sunday we're going to hit up to 70 degrees or close to it. Oh, and today's my wife's birthday. So, I forgot one more thing. This thing is actually pretty cool. It's like a windmill type tower. I have a trumpet vine that's on it. I'll get up closer a little bit. I used to scrap, but scrap prices went down, so it's not even worth it. Especially putting all that weight in your truck and all that stuff and taking in a ton of steel and you get 30 bucks for it. I'm alright on that. And there's the water pump or whatever, spout. And you got your bar. Oh. There's your ladder. Let's see. Back this up a little bit. Oh, there it is. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see, right there. And it goes all the way up. Let's see if I can find a brand on there. I thought I seen one before. A red jacket. So I was gonna dig it up and see. And concrete at the bottom. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one. There's the wood for the chicken coop. But But yeah, again, have a good one. Enjoy your day. It's supposed to be getting up to 70 this Sunday in Michigan, so it's getting warmer every day. Then after that, who knows? It's Michigan weather around here. It can be warm one day and cold the next. There's my piece of crap Ford. But yeah, today is my wife's birthday. So if you want to say happy birthday, go ahead. So, again, take care. I don't know how many times I've said it, but this time I'm leaving. Later.